Rocket launch at night, Starlink satellite animations, Elon Musk at a press conference, headlines reading Starlink 2.0 lifts off global internet networks grows, SpaceX reaches new milestone. SpaceX just took another giant leap, not toward Mars in this time, but toward global internet domination. Elon Musk space company has successfully launched a new batch of next generation Starlink 2.0 satellite, further expanding what is already the largest satellite internet network on Earth. Falcon 9 rocket launching, payload firing, deploying in space. The launch took place from Cape Canaveral, Florida aboard a Falcon 9 rocket, a workhorse that's now completed over 300 missions. On board, 23 new Starlink V2 Mini satellite equipped with upgraded hardware, higher bandwidth capacity and improved their interlinks that allow them to communicate with each other directly on orbit. SpaceX engineers say that Starlink 2.0 is a major step forward. It's smarter, faster, and more scalable. Starlink satellite orbiting Earth, global map lighting up. With the launch, SpaceX now has over 6,200 satellites in orbit, more than half of all active satellites currently circling the world. The upgrade network aims to improve latency, speed, and global coverage, especially in remote or underserved areas from rural Alaska to war zones in Ukraine. Starlink already serves over 3 million customers in over 70 countries, including homes, schools, emergency service, RVS, and even cruise ships. Starlink installation users speed test customers using internet in rural areas. The new V2 satellite will eventually support direct-to-smartphone connection, a future SpaceX is developing in partnership with T-Mobile and other global carriers, a potential game changer for cell coverage in remote zones. Each V2 Mini has 4 times the capacity of earlier models and use argon-powered half-effect thruster for more efficient maneuvering in orbit. Tech analysts say that SpaceX is building a kind of orbital infrastructure, one that could rival or even replace traditional telecom networks in the future. Elon Musk on stage, Twitter or X logo, Telsa HQ. Starlink is also central to Elon Musk's broader empire, powering communications for Tesla, Operations X, formerly Twitter, and possibly even future Mars mission. And while it's generating billions in revenue, it also faces competing forces Amazon projects Kuiper, OneWeb, and China satellite mega constellations. Still, SpaceX is currently far ahead, thanks in part to its in-house rocket system, which drastically cuts costs compared to rivals. Space debris animation, astronomers protesting satellite glare, regulatory hearings. But it's not all smooth orbits. Critics warn of growing space debris, light pollution, and regulatory gaps around mega constellations like Starlink. Astronomers say that these satellites are impacting our ability to observe space. We need global cooperation or on-orbital traffic. SpaceX says it's implementing automatic day-orbit system, anti-repelling coordinating, and collision avoidance tech to address those concerns. Rockets flying into the night sky, network coverage maps, and finally family with Starlink internet. With more launches planned every week, SpaceX is racing forward a future where everyone everywhere has fast, affordable internet. even in the most remote corner of the globe. Whether it's helping school in Africa, troops in Ukraine, or ships in the middle of the ocean, Starlink 2.0 is bringing the world online, one satellite at a time. Starlink expands again. Subscribe for space updates, take deep dives, and launch alerts.